Hello. One thing I'm going to fix the last error, and it's probably going to be a lot, because I basically have no any, but I still have. I think the strict mode is also checking the null, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a lot of. Well, it's not really error, but yeah, a lot of fix to do. And after I need to do one last refactoring, and I can implement new features after that. And especially I want to move the AI logic into the shared, because I don't want it to be I don't want it to be to have any knowledge about my player. I just want to have data. That's it. Not an entities dependencies. Because if I have that, I cannot generate my AI for my server, for example. It's going to cause problem. So I need to fix that. And then maybe later I'm going to, because there is several techniques to manipulate WebSocket, and this Socket.io, but there are also other like frameworks that are built for video game, and maybe I will switch with that. I know I can do it with Socket.io, but it's going to take way more time. So we'll see after, but because I want to work on a single player, and then have a multiplayer mode, and maybe after the multiplayer mode, FFR mode, maybe I'm going to have like a real game, like a real like a real MOBA with tower and monster and different heroes. I won't have different heroes, but I have like three different heroes that can take several abilities and several weapons. And yeah, but this is in the late future that I'm going to do that. But I cannot add features right now because they have too much junk. Even if I remove like maybe 80% of junk, I still have too much junk. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Yeah, the error. That's the first step. And I love this fucking music, man. Okay, so I need to. I don't know if I need to change this one or maybe this one. Yeah, because I don't have this error reported when I'm doing ESLint fix. So actually it doesn't really matter, but it matters for the dsconfig. So this is the strict null check. I need to check something first. Monsieur, yeah, but okay. Define is the root of all level. Okay. Okay. Because you need to check it. That's it. Yeah, it caused an error because maybe this thing doesn't exist. I understand that. I think it was any rule, but no, this is different. And yeah, you have basically this symbol is very important because this symbol say it basically say, okay, I know this is not undefined. That's what it say. It means I know what I'm doing. It's not undefined. It's like bypass it. If you, otherwise I think you need to test a crazy amount of condition. You need to check if he name and then do something. But if you assume that there's something in it, you just add the exclamation mark. So it's just a shortcut. Yeah, at least you see visually if you need it or not. A definitive assignment assertion. Okay, I'll check if I'm doing npm start with this new change. Okay, I don't need that. No error? That's strange. Okay. 87 error. Mostly on game server, I think. Do you report where's the error? Okay, a lot of them are in game server. Like a crazy amount of them are in game server. It's about null and define, okay. Doing it in order. Okay. So projectile key is maybe undefined. That's what it means. Shows an action can be ability or weapon. And this is strongly related to the model that you define. Because I bet that my projectile key it can be null or any. Projectile key. Yeah, it has to be something, but only on a weapon. Because I'm either a weapon or an ability. Wait a minute, it's not the same. Where does it come from? Okay. My weapon is projectile key, no? Yeah, it has. And this one? Also. But it's... yeah. This is why it doesn't work. This is why it doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't have it. Yeah. Because sometimes I don't use that, but whenever I'm using that, it's related to a bullet, a projectile, and I know there is something in it. I know if it going to this part of the code, it means that my ability or my weapon have absolutely a projectile key. So I can assert it that it's always going to happen. Okay, so I don't like that either. Number or undefined, why? Because of that. No? No, that's annoying. So I also need to say that. I don't like that. Well, the thing is, what? Yeah, but an empty string, I mean. It's also a bug if it's an empty string, so it's not better. I'm not sure. Well, I know for a fact that it's a number, but yeah, I don't see a better way to do that. The only way I see to do that is that my projectile key can be a null string, you know. But it doesn't make sense. This one make more sense. Say I'm sure that okay, this one actually okay. Okay, I'm okay with that. So this error are gone. No, the client. Okay, cannot assign it to null. It's not assigned to player model, yeah. I don't need to assign them. Why am I assigning them? Where is it used? This player null. It's not even used anywhere. It's not even used. I don't need that. And lobby user. User is null, this lobby user. Oh, yeah, I have to assign it somewhere. Yeah, there. Add lobby user listener. That's a problem. Yeah, it's. So when. I think I just can get rid of that, but. Yeah, that means I. Okay. No, I just can get rid of it. I don't need to assign it to null. Same for this. And same for that. I don't use that. I'm going to amend the commit later, but yeah, maybe I won't amend it so I can get back to previous version if I make a mistake, because there's a very high chance that my project won't work after that. Okay, it's gone. On abilities. Okay, problem with projectile key. So same problem. I think it can be undefined. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it's not a correct. Yeah, but Yeah, I need to reset it every time. That's kind of a problem. Because because I will always assign. The only reason why it doesn't work is because, for example, and I'm going to have several of it, but my flash skill, for example, where is it? Flash blink. My blink skill doesn't have a projectile. That's why it doesn't work. But I know if I have ability drawing steel ray, it should have a projectile key. Am I sure of that? Does it make sense? I don't know if it makes sense. Also, I need to see my config. There's a zone. And the zone doesn't need a key. That's why it's working. So again, I cannot use a ray. But that's a problem. That's kind of problem. No, I don't have this problem. But if I want to ray something that I don't know, heal, or I don't want to associate it to a projectile, I'm fucked. That's annoying. You should calculate that, you know. Yeah, no, I can fix it really easy because I don't have this this case, but maybe I'm going to have it later. But you know what? Right now I know I don't have this case, so just going to fix it rapidly. Same problem here, don't have this case. Same problem with recolor. Okay, recolor can be... I shouldn't. Yeah, I just don't use that, but... There's a default, you know? Other things. So it doesn't need to be this way. Yeah. Also all this, no, this default value shouldn't be there. It shouldn't be there. But I'm still okay with that being there right now, okay. Okay. The ability is gone. Player. Okay, I'm going to have... Okay... This one... Okay, not that much actually. So, what's wrong with that? Type undefined cannot be used, syntax type, okay. So, player model can be undefined, that's what it means? No. Player model cannot be used as syntax type. It can be undefined, okay. Shouldn't. Yeah, my player model. Shouldn't be undefined. Oh no, I want this music. So okay, my player model can have undefined, it shouldn't. Yeah, but you know that when you send that to your player, it cannot be undefined. That's supposed absolutely sure of that. The thing is, inside the player config, yeah, it can be. Because it's related to my player selection, and sometimes there's nothing in it. But my player model, I'm sure that. I'm sure of that. And okay, I have this problem now. Objects possibly null or define. The same problem work as action time. Timer event inside action time. Timer event, okay, can be action time interface, because sometimes there is not of it. I don't remember what it does. Well, it's inside my effect, I think. Under def, and then you have this add here. What does it do? I just to okay, it's just for checking the def. Action time. I have all of this action time here. Then I have def, action time def. Then I have timer event inside it. Def cooldown. And it's because, okay, action time inside it. No. I have another properties. That's strange error. It's not my effect tick, where is it? Can I do next error? Yeah. Yeah, this one. No, it doesn't like the fact that I have timer events and why? Yeah, but my action time, it's not my action times. And take back an action time. Select key, okay. That fire. Yeah, the problem is the timer event inside it. It doesn't exist. Because I have ready cooldown, and then I'm adding timer event. And I don't have it inside. Oh, this is strange what I'm doing. I don't know. Why am I doing that? Yeah, but why am I adding it? I'm doing a second event. That's really strange. I don't say it anywhere that I'm doing that. And why am I doing that here? It makes no sense. Yeah, but I need to create a type for it. I have it. Action time interface. It's not the same, yeah? This? No. Yeah, okay. That's a trick. I code it, but yeah, sometimes I'm adding another event in it. Huh. I'm doing can be undefined, can be null. So bad. Yeah, maybe it doesn't exist. And yeah, the thing is, where am I? Okay. Yeah, don't need to be null. This is why I put it to null, because yeah, but I don't need to put it to null. But this thing should exist, but callback, because when I'm inside the callback and I want to remove it, yeah, because yeah, just up, yeah, if I'm in if action time ready, but yeah, but they all have them, no? Yeah, it's correct. Multi one. One of that is just to have a timer that's trigger every second. And this one remove the one above it. So this one remove this one after this second, and this one create this one. So no, the thing is, no, it's correct, but I just need to say that it's going to happen every time. I still have the problem here. Why am I doing remove false? I'm doing something strange. Remove false, what does it mean? Why is sending false to it? Dispatch callback, boolean, undefined. Process a timer event and immediately expire. Let's remove this one. But it's remove this one. Because this one is not removing itself. That's a thing here. Because it's looping through and it's called every time. Yeah, but I think it's fucking stupid. I don't know, I feel like I know it's work, I think it's really look fucking stupid. Okay. Okay, I see why I did that, but yeah, it's easy to fix, but it's kind of suck. And the effect tick. Outside the effect tick. Yeah, tick can be undefined. So effect, where does it come from? It's come from there. So effect value. I take the value, the name of the effect. And then here when it's burning, I need a delay. A tick can be undefined, but I know if I'm burning, I have it. I should be okay. Should say. I know most of the error are going to to be fixed like that. I know why it makes. At least you know that this thing. You know that it's not undefined, but your program cannot know that, you know. And I see why it's useful. Okay. So my player icon. I need to go to my projectile now. Oh, I don't have error? Yeah, say to me that I had error. I think I fix it with the... Maybe I fix it by changing the model, it's possible. No. Oh, it took time. It really took time. I don't know what's happened. I don't need that. Okay. So duration. Trigger after can be undefined. Projectile template. I want to see the type of it. Okay. So the type is projectile bars and the name. And the projectile bars have trigger after here. Maybe you don't have it, maybe it has it. Yeah, but that's correct. It's conditionally. I mean, sometimes I don't need it. Depend of the bullet, you see. If I go to my config, I have an error here. Oh. What they did. Player default model, player model, what's happening? Yeah, I'll check it later. Yeah, so my config and no, I need to go to my bullet. My bullet key, where is it? Oh, no, abilities. Yeah, projectile. And sometimes, you know, speed, lifespan, radius. Sometimes I will have it. For example, for tick after for the flame projectile. Also tick trigger after. It's not the same. This one is not projectile change. I don't care why I don't care about projectile change right now. Yeah, it's more like tick after. Okay. And effects. Yeah, so basically this trigger after is tick. I don't use it. Why am I not using it? I'm checking if it's not undefined. The funny thing is, yeah, trigger after. Yeah, I already checked that here. I don't understand why it must say okay. I know this is because it's already no. My condition already here. I already check if it's not undefined. You think it's after you need to say something like that? Yeah, but no, it doesn't care. I mean. Yeah, but that's weird because no, I know why. Because I need to check that. I need to check that, you know, and then it doesn't mind, and that actually makes sense. But it's not. Why am I doing for speed? I still have a condition. Should I? Could speed cannot? Maybe it doesn't exist. Speed should always exist. It should be 0. I don't know. I'm not sure. Because it's using initial rotation. An information that I always have, and is mostly 0. And it's going to do speed. Yeah, this projectile template .speed, but speed should always exist and be 0. Should be default to 0. I want to know something. Should it be number and then default value? Should it be 0? Yeah, but it's not the same. If I assigned it to 0, it's not the same. No, the thing is, it should be here, you know. Projectile template. Yeah, cause yeah, it's just projectile template. It's not like assign the speed in it, you know. It doesn't need to extract it still on the template. And yeah, that's a problem. Yes, that's one of the disadvantage of not extracting it inside your class. Because if you don't do that, yeah, it's like you cannot really assign default value to it. That's annoying. That's annoying. I don't know. Oh, you think? Does this first create your main model as perfect class with a default arch property in this case? Yeah, but it's on the yeah, it's on the construct, so it's different. But I like this one. I really like this one. You think? Yeah, remove that, and you say, I don't think it's going to be happy. No, it's not. Not at all. Okay, I cannot do that. Yeah, either I'm extracting it. Yeah, inside the and I'm adding a bunch of variable here. Or I'm saying, okay, I know the speed is has some value. Thing is, I still don't need to do that. Honestly, the best way to solve this one is really. This is the best way to solve it. Because if it's sparse, you know it's a number, you know it's not undefined. And then I can get rid of that. This is the best way to solve it. Okay. Yeah, the only issue is there the also solution you clearly see that it was a condition, you know. But now, how do you know? Yeah, if it's not undefined, if it's defined, if it's defined, okay. Because yeah, but I'm doing that just to assert that. Okay, I see. Maybe this is the best way to do it. At least you don't create a junk variable. You only have one variable that says, okay, this is true, this is false. Okay, do I have other guy here? Object is undefined. Hey, map string. I don't understand this one. Possibly undefined because of the get. Okay. because the projectile name group is a projectile name, and it cannot be undefined. But the trick is here. The projectile it's get a string, and that's a problem. It's not precise enough for my projectile. It shouldn't be get a string. It should get a projectile name model. Wait a minute. It's not precise enough. Projectile name model string. Yeah, but this is right. It can be anything. This projectile get projectile name group. The name group is the first bar. I'm not even using the name. And my projectile here get a string. Yeah, that. Yeah, because the get here. Yeah, I understand why it doesn't work. Yeah, but maybe the name doesn't exist. How does he know that? Yeah, he cannot know that. So either I need to be, but yeah, I can actually. I can be more precise here because yeah, but the string here is always it's always a group. It's always something like that. Projectile name, yeah, but the projectile template name. Yeah, the thing also is that I can reassign the same, but it really should be projectile template name. Projectile name. It should be that. It shouldn't be a string of group, it should be. And the projectile by ID also should be that. And now you sure? No, you're still not sure, right? Because now you get a string. Yeah, but that's the thing. You get a string there and you don't know. Projectile name group is still a string. So I know it's there, but I need to assert it that it's always yeah. Okay. But this is correct. My type here always projectile name. Let's look at the config projectile. It's always a name from it. So this is correct. This is better, but this is absolutely no. I need to say this is cannot send you a string. I mean, maybe I need to assert it. No. I think it's already saying that it's going to get back a physical card group. We just need to say that. Or maybe there. Maybe there. Okay. Same problem here, I need to say projectile group. I think it's better to assert it here. No, it's a group. No, it's okay. Why not here? Doesn't like it here. Okay. Rotation is a number. Maybe you don't get it. If you don't get it, send back 0. I don't know why I have error here. Create new error. Oh, is that okay? I don't know. No, it's okay. Yeah, I think I need to fix them first. Wow, it's not in definer. Property speed is missing in type. Okay. So now I need the speed every time. But wait a minute. Yeah, but no, wait a minute. Speed number, but speed number. Yeah, that's the problem. I need to say it's 0. Yeah. I okay. I'm okay. Yes. You need to be explicit for everything that is not undefined. That makes sense. I need to be explicit about the speed. Yeah, I need to be explicit about the speed. But actually I don't know. Because I don't need to do this code. So. Actually, no, this was correct. Still need to be defined, optional. Okay. Oh, I have more error now. I have more error. Oh, still on projectile? No, you're kidding me. Oh yeah, speed no. Yeah. Yeah, that's the things. It's I don't know what's better. See, if I want to call get distance every time and send it back 0, that's not I don't know. Which one is better? Because I have the if config here. You know? So the get time reach target, yeah, it's return 0, that's so stupid, man. I don't know, I am not sure. And I'm doing something strange. Get time to reach target. Yeah, but sometimes I use a delay also. Figure after. That makes no sense. Oh, it makes no sense, this code. Why is it used? It's used there. On my player AI. Why am I doing all this fucking mess? Why am I doing all this fucking mess? Hmm. Why am I doing all this mess? That's really strange what I'm doing. Yeah, it's using the checking if there's a speed. It's using the target distance from it, and then the group. Okay, this one is okay, but the other one, the else if trigger after make absolutely fucking no sense at all. It makes no sense. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This one is really strange. It's going to divide by 0 also. If it's 0. Yeah, but I think this part, I don't understand this why did I did it make no sense. Yeah, this one makes sense. The get distance, I use it in several places. I projected get distance on my weapon and my projectile. Send the key. If the key has a speed, return the key time the lifespan. Okay, projectile config. Yeah, I think it's a static method of projectile. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's a good idea. Because it's using nothing from the class. It's using the config to calculate. Oh my cat. Oh! Coucou mon chien! So yeah, also why it's this one should be a F. No, this one should be should be conditional. It should be like the first one. Yeah, it should be a F because my speed can be undefined. Make no sense. But I don't use it when it's undefined. But I think it makes more sense to have a if on this one. No, just maybe you know what? I think I just can do that. Can I do that? No. No, I cannot do that. No, there's no way. I will need the condition for this. Ah, yeah. Okay, I'm done with that. "60 error." Main scene. Okay. Quite a bit of error. Okay, so this one can be unified. Dump of player action. Player action rotation selectability. Why is not unified, this one? And this one can. Pointer position. It's related to my player action. So this one can be. Yeah, they all can be. Because. The condition, man. Yes, strange condition. I have. If player action. That's. Yeah, that's strange. No. Because when action exists, the pointer position exists also. That's what it means. Because this value I get back from the server, you know. What it did. Did it move? Did it rotate? Did it select an ability? And did it trigger an action? And did the pointer position change? Huh. I'm wondering where is it assigned? Only there? Player deals share model, players scheme. Yeah, but... No reference at point, so... Yeah, I know, but... Player action. Yeah, I come from the server also. My client control. And... So this is what it does. It does it either from my control or from my server. That's all the trick is there. And can be undefined, that makes sense. I just wonder the... Cause for example from my... Yeah, but... wait a minute. No. Yeah, but the things... Here the things. Pointer rotation... Position... Okay, so you know you have it there. yeah, this is come from my scene. It's not the same. And then, yeah, take it from the scene. Okay. Mm, yeah, but it's... Yeah. Why do I need it there? Yeah, I need this information. But that's something strange. Yeah, but it's only going to happen. I'm never going to have this information from the server. No. Always from my client. Only going to happen from my client. Yeah, it's going to trigger on my client and it's going to send back the bullet that it triggered. So yeah, this action always exists when there is an action. It means that it's always set it. Because it's set it when there is when it trigger. Either on right trigger or left trigger. So when I click left and right and okay. And only yeah. No, I just need to assert it. That's the best way. Okay, this one. Projectile body can be undefined. Should it? Projectile and my body? No. My body is not undefined. It's always there. Projectile visible, it doesn't, yeah. But my body is, okay, maybe it's undefined, why? Projectile get projectile? Why is the body could be undefined? It's clearly not. Type number. Oh, no. This is my projectile change that can be undefined. Okay. Because it's true. It can be. So on my game update here. This shit is a mess, it's going to be refactored also. I want this shit to be inside the client. The projectile change can be undefined. It can be, the x can be 0. If the player didn't move but it rotates, it's null. The things is yeah, but that's strange what I do. I should have condition here, no? Projectile ID change. Yeah, but if the projectile yes, that's a yeah, but this part doesn't work anyway. This part doesn't. Yeah, it's kind of it was the last step on my last feature when I want to sync the projectile with the server, and I could see that it was moving. I couldn't see the projectile, but I knew it was moving, and I received the information from the server was working, but the problem is the logic is flow. Because I can, yeah, the project, yeah, it's a flow, this is flow. It doesn't matter, I'm going to refactor it, so I don't need to, yeah, don't need to dig it right now if I'm going to change it later. Yeah, this is the biggest flow right now from the application. The player previous can be null, but the projectile previous is always good. What's the difference here? Previous player. Previous player can be null, and the projectile previous, yeah, it's never null. Okay, yeah, doing a diff with null, that's not going to work. Yeah, it shouldn't be null. It should be assigned to the player current can be null also. That's really strange. Where is it set? Player count null, null. And get diff this player current. So yeah, but it need to be assigned somewhere. Where is it assigned? Not here. It's assigned here with the get change. Player current is a terrible name because it's a model. It's player current change, it's not player count. And yeah, I know this. Well, I need to refactor all this shit, man. Yeah. Yeah, but whenever I'm using it, it's tick the update. Yeah, wait a minute. Because it's cause an issue. No, it's higher. Causing an issue here. But this thing only is called inside my update. It's called there. It's not. It's easy to read if this one's going on the bottom because it's only called inside my update. Yeah, the biggest logic is here. And yeah, the thing is, no, I need to assert it that why it doesn't complain. Yeah, it should complain also. And it's complain here, but not here, but it should complain on both. Maybe because this one can receive null, it doesn't matter. No, I want my music. Oh, this one is pretty good too. Yeah, no, I need to fix. Yeah, the thing is really the fix is kind of simple because let's say it cannot be null. I don't need to set it to null, and it's only going to be called. It's going to be called on my update. It's going to be set here. And the get diff game state is going to be called inside my update after setting the player current. So I'm sure that the player current is set, and I'm not sure that the player previous is set. Yeah, that's a problem. But yeah, the thing is, where I'm fucking stupid is. Yeah, because it's multiple then it's. Yeah. Okay, I see why I did that. Yeah, but the thing is player change. You know what it can be? Yeah, it's an optional. So it can be that. That's things. Doesn't need to be null. my player previous and can be an empty object. That's what it should be. I think I get rid of the error now. Oh, I'm not using that way. Oh, that's strange. I'm not using it, okay. Okay, so yeah, now I get rid of the error, that makes sense. Okay, so now I have two left. Why not happy with this one? This one look easy to fix. Oh, yeah, why not? So overlap, object 2, collide, callback, process callback. Process callback. You want the optional, yeah, but and the context in which to run the callback. I don't think I need this. Yeah, I don't need the context. I mean, I think it know it. Because it's still the context to call this undone player collide. I don't think I need this actually. And what's the error here? Possibly undefined. Name is possibly undefined. Because my projectile current. It's a record of string. Okay, what it does here. Yeah, that's going to be, yeah. I'm going to say that it exists every time because I don't have a list of projectile name. Because they are created on the spot, so I need to say that it's going to exist every time. I think it's okay for that. Okay, I still have the same amount of error. No. 52 error, okay. Because it's changing every time. Okay. Player selection. Where are the errors? It doesn't like my window. Yeah, maybe I need to create a type for the local storage. Say, okay, I know what's going to be in the local storage. I don't want to do that. I absolutely don't want to do that. Okay, so lobby username can be. Actually, it can be. String are undefined. User and user can have. It's a good question. Is the user can be. Yeah, on the lobby user here, and it's received from my server. Shouldn't be always a name, a default name like anonymous or something like that, you know. Problem, I cannot say that inside the name. but when I'm created, I can say that. Does it need an ID also? Should maybe have an ID. Yeah, let me state string of user. And the string is an ID. And you have no fucking clue what the ID will be. Yeah, maybe it should be on both of them, because... Yeah. But I'm going to have the same problem with player selection, I think. With game mode, for example. No game mode here. Is that my only error? Really? Really? Okay. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it makes more sense to say that's always going to have a name. I think it's going to create error somewhere else. Okay. Only 50. Game server, 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 game server. Okay, I have one error on config, and all the other errors are on my game server. Okay. I have one error on the config on line 25. This one cannot be null because my player model doesn't have a selectability key to null. It's ability name. I don't know. I don't know. But it's not undefined. Need to be something. I don't know. Yeah, something strange. Yeah, but it can be null, no? I'm confused. I'm really confused. A long time ago. Yeah, a long time ago. That's strange. Why my selected ability key is not in... it's not... Ah, that's strange what I do there. Make absolutely no sense. Just like my control by. Yeah, if a default value for that, but my selected ability key. Wait a minute. It shouldn't even exist. It shouldn't even exist. It only exists on my player, it doesn't exist on my player model. It makes absolutely no sense. Does it make sense? I don't know if it's making sense. Makes sense on my player. doesn't make sense. Yeah, it makes no sense on my player. The default model. Why are you not happy? Oh, it's not happy at all. I don't know. Yeah, but if I remove that, it's not happy about a lot of things. Yeah, I understand that my player model need ability key to be something. Because, yeah, they are not undefined anymore. And I'm fucked here. I understand that. It's like it need default one. Yes, always have it. But my player config is going to take, and yeah, it's going to take some key and just reassign it when it passes the config. That's why but it always needed my player model. Something strange. Where am I using that? Player default model. Where am I using that? Don't say I'm using it. No way. I'm using it. I'm not using it anywhere. Anyway. It's not used anywhere. No, it's not stupid, but it's just not used. It's not used. Oh, it's not used, man. Then I have a player. Look how different it is. Default config, default model on my player. So yeah, it's because I'm using it. I'm using player default model somewhere. I'm using it somewhere. Like here, I'm using it here. On my games, I'm using it on my game server. The default model. Look like it needed. It looked like it needed, and my player default config. Oh, fucking. Yeah, but not the selectability key. Don't need that, but it need the other one. For me, what makes sense? What makes sense is to have that. Yeah, that's more subtle than that because it needs that and it needs like default one. How do I choose it? Should I have also a default to choose it? Yeah. So I need to take some key and I take the first one, you know. Okay, and then flame, root tip, and charger. Need default one. Why is not happy? Ah yeah. I don't have a lot of weapon. Only have this weapon? I think I had more. I only have, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, I think I have more, no? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to get to the real meat now. My game server. Going to be fun. Okay, so what's about the room? So the room is an ID and it can be undefined because when I'm doing a get, maybe it doesn't exist. Client room. It's a map of string and it's mapping a string to a string. Yeah, it's mapping a room, a client ID to a room. And yeah, but I don't know. I have to say, okay, my socket ID that receive the handle disconnect, you know it's yeah, I know I'm going to have some kind of error, but oh, I need, yeah, I think honestly this is I'm going to fix it rapidly because yeah, same problem here. Client to room get basically have no need to exist. Okay, I know it exists. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Trust me, I'm a programmer. Trust me, I'm a programmer. Don't trust programmer. It's a mistake. Yeah, look at this, man. Is that not beautiful? The double exclamation mark to say, oh, I know my shit. That's beautiful. Yeah, because I have double get. I have a double get. I have, yeah, my lobby state. So, yeah, I'm mapping my client to room. Yeah, I'm doing complicated stuff here. I'm mapping my client to room to game. Client to room is the client ID to the room ID. Then I send that to the room to lobby state. So now I have, what it does is give you the client, no, it's give you the room ID with the client, and it send back the room, get the room ID, the lobby state from it. And when you have the lobby state, you adding a user to the lobby state. You're adding the user to the lobby state, yeah. No, okay, that makes sense. You just need to have your model with you when you're doing that. Make it, I think, way simpler. And what it does is that actually. Lobby state. This is what it's doing. It's going to be always the same way to solve the error. double get, double know what I'm doing. Double know. Maybe I should have, you know. Maybe I should have some kind of getter from it. A function that do that. Get lobby state. And when I'm doing a get lobby state, I just need to send the socket ID. And yeah, because I'm using it there, and there, and that's it. And I'm going to need to get a lot of getter if I want to do it correctly. It's going to be the exclamation land. I don't see a better way to solve this. I really don't. Another user. User player selection room. And that's a problem because my user also here. The player selection room can be undefined. Is that correct? If I'm here, when I'm... Yeah, but when I'm create the user, I'm assigned the room here. Yeah, but that's a... I'm doing object assign here. I'm doing a get. So I'm get back the correct user. And at this point, it didn't select any room, so this is correct that it doesn't have a room. No, I still need a double assertion here. Because whenever I'm doing user player selection room, I know because there is an order in my program, but when I'm here, my program have no idea that it's defined or not. Yeah, it's going to be a fucking mess. That's what it's going to be. Every time I'm doing that I need to... Yeah, the player selection also. And there is just no way. Oh, I'm not creating a user. But I want the user to be connected. And if he's not on the room, he's not on the room. I mean, oh, I need to use different user. No, I mean, I don't think there is a better way to solve it. I just need to say that this is defined inside this function every time. So the get need to say that, and that need to say this. Wow. Yeah, this is a craziness. There's no fucking way to do it better. Well, there is a better way to do it, but I don't know. No, I need to be asset here. Yeah, there's no fucking way, man. And then the get, and then the join. Yeah, There's no way I need to say that inside it has a game room. I know it looks like shit, but I honestly have no fucking idea how you can solve it better. Because this is all this code is really like how do you say it's oh fuck, I don't have the word, but it's do something, then if this thing wrong, do something, and if this is wrong, do something. You know, it's really everything depends of the previous state, and I know that a game init only will be trigger if the player selection state was triggered, for example. But my program don't know that. There's no ID, and it's correct that it has no ID. It's because it's checking every possibility or every edge case, and this edge case will never happen inside this function. Yeah, host ID now. Still undefined. So I have one get, two gets. Got this shit, man. I have my get for that. Yeah, this is correct, but it suck. This is a different error. Always a string, and here it can be a null. ID keys, object entries, game state, change, delete. Okay. And game state. It's not like it's hard to fix, it's that it's ugly and in the same time. No, it's just ugly. Just fucking ugly. I have so much exclamation point. I have no fucking idea how to solve it better. I really. The only thing is, from what I should do is having some getter function, and that will assert it, and then this getter function, when they assert it, I only need to do it inside this function, because I'm doing a lot of time getting back my room to game state with my socket ID. I do it all the time. And I should have a getter function for that. But this is like a small improvement, but it doesn't improve the logic or anything, so. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. This is a fucking. You know, a client ID that I call. Yeah, it's a game state. This is different. Yeah, I could get rid of. I need to refactor it. I do it later, but it's really. Suck, but I can really solve a lot of the nightmare of just by adding, yeah, just a client room getter and a room game state getter. Just by that, I don't need to get back specific information, you know, inside all my function. I can use, I can just do socket.to. And then just doing like room to game state dot host ID, and I'm done. Yeah, it's still not a getter in the sense that yeah, it's a getter, but I still need to send the sockets. I still need to send the socket. Yeah. This suck. I'm a programmer! A programmer! A programmer! A programmer! A programmer! Don't use socket here. Why am I not using socket and... Don't need socket here, why not? Room to get entry, subject key, game state player, dot length, chosen room. Is to select a room. New room, display selection state. And let's create a new room and set back the room. Okay, I don't need a socket, so don't send the socket. Not the socket, if I don't need the socket. Oh, I want... don't send the socket. And what to choose a name can be null, okay. Because... I think I should return it there. Yeah, that sucks, no? Why am I not returning... what am I doing? It's never undefined, it's never null. Choose on room. Either it's a new room, so it's not null. Either it's an already existing room. So it's never null. It's never null. Never. Never, 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 never. No, it's assigned there. Oh yeah. Oh, what did I did? But I'm doing stupid fucking cheating code, man. No, I need to. I just need to do that. Oh, I was fucking. I was drunk, man. It was late. I was drunk. Don't judge me. I was drunk. Please don't judge me. I was drunk. Yeah, if you don't find anything, I start to. My voice is going away. My voice. Oh. Oh, I was fucking drunk. Okay. This is better, no? Oh, I'm also checking if I'm in the FFR mode. Yeah, I need to do that. That's not bad, but it's bad. Maybe that's why I did this fucking nightmare. Yeah, but for I'm you know, I see like too far away when I only have one mode, and I already doing the logic if I have several modes, but I only have one mode, and it's made like, oh okay, I'm doing logic, but to codes that don't even exist for later. And honestly, don't do that. It's a waste of fucking time. Don't do that. I'll not get rid of that because it's still correct. But it won't be correct if I adding a new mode, but... So same, start player selection room. Don't need a socket. Where am I using this shit? I don't need that. And it's return player selection room. Okay, it's the same code. Yeah, but I did it correctly. Because I don't have this crazy logic of choosing when it's less than 10. Went too far with this shit. Okay. Still going to be a fucking error because it should be a switch case with game mode. I still need, still need to do that. I know it's fucking. Don't look the code, it's stupid. I know. It's stupid, but I know it's fucking. It's fucking stupid. Don't judge me. I know it's fucking. I know it should be that. I know it should be that. Okay, I know. Just doesn't matter anyway. Like game state. Because I did it in 2 times. Usually I do it in 1 time. Okay. That's it. That's it. Oh my god, that's it. Okay, still okay, it's launching. Did it go too far? I feel like it did get really far. Okay. I'm not sure it was precise. Oh fuck, man! I have a big problem. It's going too far. Is it a new bug? I feel like it's a new bug. Oh fuck. Okay. I need to do something very fast. I need to get back in time. Just to see if it's a new bug. Yeah, I correct it later, but... No, it's not a new bug. It never worked before. This one work? Okay. Okay, this is not a new bug. Okay, I need to fix it later. Wasn't finished. Yes, this is very important to fix. It's inside my project. But it's not a new bug. It's a bug with my refactoring. Hey, did it? No, it wasn't correct. But this one is. It's a problem with the ticking. When there is no tick, it look like it's. Look at the first one. No, it's not where it should be. So the tick is right, you know. The tick, the first one is right. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I can get back to what is it doing? Oh, data tiers, okay. No, I'm stuck at IO. And okay. Can I quickly fix it? I don't think so. Stick timer. Looks like the problem is here. The initial rotation not related to the speed, but the initial position. The body reset doesn't like it. It seems like it really feels like this is a problem. It looks like I don't know. Oh my fucking god. Clearly no. No, it needs to take the size in account. Ah, fuck this shit, man. Yeah, I think it need I'm not sure, honestly, I don't know. It's just a guessing. I'm just guessing right now. No. Going too far. Yeah, the first one going too far and the second one is good. So the initialization is not correct and it's like trying to I don't know. You think the activated is you think it need to be after the body reset? That's possible. That's maybe the yeah, because the body is not enabled and I'm doing a body reset. I think this is it. No, it's not it. It's not it. Ah, fuck, why? No, it doesn't. Look at this. It's cool, yeah, but the drawing is correct. But the drawing is correct. That's a collision box. But the second one is... Yeah, but I don't understand the first one. Because the drawing is not correct also for the first one. It's like it's an order problem. Ordering problem. It's body set enable false. The tween. If I have a trigger after. If I have a speed. Yeah, it's correct. I want to change something rapidly. If I'm going there, it's correct. And farther, yeah, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't give a shit about that. Doesn't give a shit about that. Is that my problem every time? Did it give a shit? Yeah, it give a shit about it. It don't give a shit about that. And it's going too far. Okay, and if I'm doing that here, it's correct. I mean, it's on the right place. When I'm doing that, the first tick is not on the right place. The boxing is not on the right place on this one. And this one also. Okay, I have a lot of bugs. Yeah, the biggest problem right now is like I don't have the wrench is not working anymore. I have no idea why. You think it's related to the activation? No, I don't think so. No, it's not related. Not related. I think it's the initial position. It's on fire that I have problem. Let me just check something. No, I think it's useless to check it, but... Yeah, the fire position here. Position is not in the right place. You think? No, it's a new bug, I don't know where it's come from. Look like my source position is... It's correct for that, but not when it... Oh, yeah, okay, this is a problem. It looks like it's take my my pointer position and doesn't give a shit about anything else. Oh, my source position. Yeah, but I'm doing something strange. The fire take the position and rotation. Yeah, the source. Okay, no, this is correct. It looks like it's my source position that's completely wrong. Because I'm... I know why. I'm sending the source position. Yeah, I need to send the target position. I don't know why I don't know. Uh, no. Yeah, on this one. It's not the pointer position. Yeah, it's on this one it's the target position. That's the problem. I think pretty sure it is. Okay. Okay, that was it. Okay. That was it. Now I still have the problem with... Yeah, I still have a problem. I don't know. I think it's a false positive. Because... Yeah, but when you wait... But why it's working for my ignite? No? It's not create fake one. I don't know if I'm colliding with it, you know. I just check change something rapidly. Um, no. Yeah, but why it's because it's on my projectile that it's I have this information. No. Yeah, no, yeah. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, this is rare the information. I need. Oh, do you absolutely need it? Huh. I want to know if there is. Maybe I should add an alpha it. I don't think I have an alpha set for that. Still red, why is... Yeah, but I have the circle, yeah, so the collision is correct here. And not here, not here. It's when I have a tick after. No, because my flame projectile, I'm not on the white one, I don't think so. Yeah, the flame projectile still have a tick after. It's not instant. Yeah, no, I'm stupid. I'm confounding the tick after and the trigger after. It's when I have a trigger after that's it's not correct. Trigger after. It's when I'm going there. I absolutely have no idea why. Projectiles work pretty great. Yeah, it's worked pretty great and... Do I need that? I need it. Of course I do. Of course I do. I don't know why. Something strange shall solve that. I want new yeah, this music, man! It's live. This music is live. It was... that's strange. It doesn't give a shit about my width. It's in the center. I will agree with that. Oh. Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay, so I think this one is not the correct one. This one is correct. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't make any sense. I don't see the difference between them. Is that a false positive? I don't know. That's because there's not enough difference. Yeah, but my reset is very important. Right? But I don't know. I have no fucking idea. It makes no sense. Later I'm going to add a cone skill. And maybe enemies, you know, tower here and here. You like a real map, but not right now. I want first a fun FFR mode, when you can choose your character and have some abilities. And just a better interface, because the health bar is useless here. And more skill and I don't know. And like different players, some will be smaller, some bigger, some will be faster, some have more health, some have regeneration health. Maybe I'm going to have also a damage by magic and normal damage. I think I'm going to do that, but the thing is, am I doing the first a really good multiplayer mode that's working, or am I adding these features on single mode? Because I really need to split that. I think it's working, you know. I think it's a false positive. Because there is a delay and the body is reset. But it's not active. Yeah, but maybe that's a problem. The active is not in the right place. Yeah, that's a problem. The active, it need to be healthy. Actually, that's a problem. You need to be inside the start, you know. This need to be that. Something strange. What? Should be the opposite, no? It makes no sense. It should be this body set enable true and false. And then you activate here. And what are you doing inside it? This makes more sense. Way more sense. Okay, this is perfect, man, working. Okay, this is good. This is what I want. So this will delay now? Okay. Back to business, man. Okay, it's exactly what I want. Okay. Well, I stop for today. Bye. Bye.